Today we're in the kitchen with a California-inspired recipe for beans Marbella, pairing sweet California prunes, briny ripe green olives, red wine, marinated bell pepper, and creamy white beans, all from the Golden State. Start by cooking 1 pound of white beans, like cannellinis or these Marcella beans from Rancho Gordo. Cover with water, season with kosher salt, then add in a teaspoon of oregano, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Bring the pot to a boil, then lower to a simmer and cook for an hour and a half or so, or until very tender. While the beans cook, prep the marinated vegetables. Dice 1 large shallot, chop 2 tablespoons of capers, and slice thin 1 orange or red bell pepper. Combine in a small bowl with 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Season with salt and pepper, then drizzle in 2 tablespoons of California olive oil and set aside. Next, chop 4 cloves of garlic, a 1/2 cup of pitted California prunes, and a 1/2 cup of ripe green olives. Once the beans have cooked, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a separate pot or deep skillet over medium heat. Saute the garlic until fragrant and starting to color, then stir in a cup of dry red wine like Pinot Noir. Simmer several minutes until the wine has reduced by half. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the beans to the pot with the reduced wine, then add in 2 cups of the bean broth. Stir in the olives, the prunes, and another 1/4 cup of olive oil. Bring to a simmer and cook uncovered until the liquid starts to thicken and all of the flavors blend together. Serve with a garnish of the marinated peppers, a drizzle of olive oil, and a slice of hearty sourdough or country bread.